allow this.
No, it'll kill it. It's already sprayed it with Sherwin-Williams wood restorer, and we let it sit about 30-45 minutes down there, over there. And we're just coming back with the X5 tip with the fan, really light, not that heavy. You can put your hand in front of that and it just knocks that stuff right off. What happens is it's coming to the surface. Whatever that stuff does, it kind of draws it up. Got this little fence line in the gazebo, and then the gazebo bottom. I'm gonna build a outdoor barbecue here, or not barbecue, kitchen that goes left, comes this way, concrete. So we're cleaning the gazebo and getting all that fence. We're gonna stain this the same color as our big fence down there that we just finished up. And these Ohia gates, same thing, we're gonna take them off. Use some steel wool and kind of get these things back to a little bit original state, and then we'll stain it the same thing, hit it with that so really light pressure. You know, if you do have the ability to get an X5 tip, that's totally back their claims. Things are great. Or just turn your pressure washer down so that it doesn't affect it. And you want to watch using bleach on this if you do clean fences with bleach. The sodium hydrochloride will get to these nails and rust them. You want to make sure you do not use straight up bleach. If you do, be warned. We like using the proper bleach treatment. Wood Wizard, there's a couple other guys that sell some good products. We just wanted to try the Sherwin-Williams because it was in stock. And it worked out great, it really did. You can't just leave it on there. I mean, I'm sure you could and then let the rain start rinsing it off, but we want to be able to stain this, so we're getting it all off. With that wood restore, and then we're just coming back over with that X5, just like on the fence over there. It turned out great. See that black coming right off it. Clearing this off so that we can pick this, and then the gazebo had some hellified moldy on there. Ryan's finishing up this. We're gonna put the bar over here, so we're cleaning it. We're cleaning all the chairs and tables.
Beautiful.